Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I wanted to start off this video just to say that I am about to do a DIY vanity project during quarantine. Hopefully by now you have seen my previous vlogs, and while we're in quarantine I am working from home, so I spend a lot of time at home, and I just wanted to take some time to build something for myself. My wedding also got postponed, but you probably already know that if you see my last video. So I decided to start this project as something like to help me feel better, you know, just because I had to move this big day, whatever. So this is not a traditional video that I would normally do, but one of my friends suggested I record it just because, you know, everybody doesn't have the money to buy a big fancy vanity. So I was like, you know what, you're right. So I'm just gonna record this and film it and post it up on my channel, and hopefully somebody else will benefit from this. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so here are all of the products that I'll be using in today's video. A can of matte black spray paint, 3 packs of 40-watt daylight light bulbs, 2 vanity light fixtures, a pack of Velcro command strips that hold up to 16 pounds, a basic extension cord, 1 frameless mirror in the size 24 by 36, a basic white desk, and a basic white and matte black chair that I assembled off camera. And all of these products are linked in the description box below. Okay, first step is, second step, because I've already completed the chair, but first step is complete. Don't mind the mess. So yeah, simple white desk, clean look, clean vibe. 1 little drawer. It's like, that's as far as it pulls out. So yeah, it's really small, but that's, you know, all I wanted. So in order for this to be like a really affordable type of DIY project, it really depends on the chair and the desk that you choose. So however fancy you want to get, however not fancy you want to get. Like I said, I was thinking about getting like the tabletop from IKEA and the 5-drawer, the Alex drawers, but I didn't want to spend that much money, so I just decided to get a simple desk off Amazon. So this is the desk I chose. It was really easy to put together. So yeah, now I am going to spray paint the vanity fixture, light fixtures. So here are the spray painted light fixtures. I just have to take out these little paper towels so that I can put the light bulbs in there. But I'm really happy with the finish and how they turned out. So now I'm about to like test it out to make sure that the sockets still work. And then I'm gonna do this little electrical work, I guess, to make sure that I can like plug it up with the extension cord. So this one's already done because I already had it. Demarius did it for me like maybe 2 years ago at this point. And then this one is brand new, so I just got to work with the wires to make sure that it can be plugged up. It was a little damaged, but the light bulb will cover that up, so that's fine. So, yep, I will be back with some more on how I build it. Okay, now I'm about to put the mirror up. I have these command strips. Hopefully you can see them. Yep, I have these command strips. They're like Velcro strips. So we're about to stick them on the back of the mirror. I have Demarius here to help me because I can't lift the mirror by myself. So I'll show y'all a clip of the mirror, the Velcro on the back of the mirror once we put them on there. so now I'm going to connect the extension cord to the light fixture. So first you want to cut the extension cord outlet piece off of the extension cord. And then you want to split the two wires of the extension cord so that you can expose the wires. So it'll work better if you have wire cutters, but I am going to use some scissors in order to expose the wires. And once the wires are exposed, you want to connect the smooth wire to the black cord on the light fixture and the more rough wire to the white cord on the light fixture. In order to connect them, you just want to twist the two wires together. And once the two wires are twisted together, you want to twist on one of the orange caps or some electrical tape. This is a very important step because this prevents any fire hazards. So you want to twist that orange cap on there until it feels like it can't be twisted anymore and it can't be easily pulled off. And once those orange caps are securely screwed onto the wires, you are good to hang up your light fixtures on the wall. Now we're about to put up the light fixture on the wall. We're just gonna use some tack so it don't like mess up the paint in the wall and stuff. We did this in our last apartment, so we know it'll work. Okay, here is the final product. Got my chair and my desk and got the lights all set up. And then I plugged my lights into a surge protector so that I can just step on the surge protector and then the lights will come on. All right, if you like this video, make sure you comment down below, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you also like this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.